agenda. I will start very soon. Let me just check everything. Let some people join. Yeah. Hope everyone's doing well, etc. Let's go. Let's go. Shit, like in my own life. That's how we do out here in the bedroom. Alright, Huggingface. Dude, I've been sleeping on Huggingface. Not really doing any videos on it. Actually, I did one at the very start. When was this? Yeah, when the first llama came out, I did a little video on Huggingface. But they've done a lot since then. Like they've raised a bunch of money. I'm pretty sure they're valued at over $1 billion. Let's see. They've added heaps of new features. Yeah, $2 billion evaluation. That's huge, guys. That is very big. Yeah, they closed the Series C a couple months ago for 100 million. Very valuable company. They host a whole bunch of models, and they also allow you to run inference on them. Um, I always had trouble running inference on a lot of these models. That's why I um, haven't really like delved into it too much or like put it on stream. But apparently it's better, and they've released this spaces thing now, so we'll look at that as well. Yeah, it should be a fun stream. After that, I have a bunch of other new AI tools that I've discovered that I haven't actually tried yet, which looked really fun. So we'll try those out as well. It should be a fun stream. Hopefully, I plan to go for as long as I can, but usually I only go for like an hour and a half. But let's see if today we can go for like at least 2 hours. I think that would be awesome. I might take a little break in the middle. Yo, Vegas Snowboard King, thank you so much for liking the live. I appreciate you. Appreciate everyone joining and liking the live. I'm liking it myself on my other account. So yeah, we're gonna be diving into Huggingface really soon. We'll just see what it has to offer. I'm really excited about the spaces. I think that's like they have a bunch of demos for a whole bunch of shit that you can try for free. I'm pretty sure. We will see very soon. But like traditionally, what Huggingface was this models tab. So they'd host a whole bunch of models. They'd let people upload models. It'd be kind of like the GitHub for AI models. Yeah, we have a message from FL Driven One. I'm just learning about Huggingface. Awesome. Yeah, it's quite new. Like, I don't think many people knew about Hugging. Like, it's actually been around for over like 3-4 years. But obviously AI has really blown up this year, and like they've really expanded their offering this year as well. So yeah, it's all quite new. Every other minute my video drops off, says FL Driven One. Is that for everyone? Yo, Mar, Nick, what's up, guys? Are you guys having difficulty with my video? Let me check my. Mar, Nick, what's up, guys? Are you guys having difficulty with my video? Let me check my. It seems pretty good on mine. I don't know. I think might just be your problem there, FL. Because yeah, I'm not really seeing that on my side. Nick saying it's all good as well. Yeah, it could be issues with their internet. Try rejoining, maybe that could fix it. Yeah. So Huggingface, yeah, this is the models section. So they have all these famous models on the front page, and you could probably find some more niche models by searching them. So Wizard Coder. This Wizard Coder, yo, Interstellar on Twitch, love your content. Thank you so much for the nice comment. Wizard Coder, I think, is actually the best coding LLM surpassing GPT-4 for Python, right? Only for Python. But yeah, so there's been tests with this thing called human eval, which I can't really explain, but we can look into it. And they say that Wizard Coder actually surpassed GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 and Claude 2 on the human eval benchmarks, meaning that it can produce better code, Python code only, than GPT-4 and 3.5 and Claude 2. Previously, nothing could touch GPT-4. It was like the smartest, best code, best everything. But now, these open source models are catching up, so it's really exciting times, guys. Nick says, can you try test out the start with an AI in Cursor again? Nick, unfortunately, I'm having issues with Cursor on Windows, but yeah, I could do that. They have released docs. I'll put it to the end of this link. Oh, you mean the start a project with Cursor? Yeah, I could try that. Yeah, it didn't work last time, hey, but we can definitely try that again. Mar says, I bricked my grub booter for dual boot. What's a grub booter? Dual boot. Yeah, so let's look at this human eval. Maybe we can get some more info on what that is. This is an evaluation harness for the human eval problem solving dataset. Oh, so it's a problem solving dataset that they give. It's kind of like a test that they give these large language models, it seems. And yeah, so Wizard Coder did better than GPT-4. That's amazing. So they do have a hosted inference API here on Huggingface. Let me make this bigger for everyone. Hosted inference API. So what this should allow us to do is actually run any of these models right here through the website. Mar says basically running Arch Linux and Windows on your PC. Oh yeah, you you broke the loader down, dude. I've heard that Arch Linux is quite difficult to set up. But yeah, so let's try this hosted inference API. Oh, they have some examples. These examples are for traditional LLMs, but let's try a coding one. Be like, right, what should we say? Write code to print out hello world. I mean, I know this is obviously very easy, but I just want to see if the inference works at all in the console. Oh, so it does the predictive text. Begin code, import UI kit, class view controller, and it stopped there because I guess there's a limit. Can we continue? Oh, you can just continue. Okay, great. What's interesting is this doesn't look like it's Python. But it's great that the inference is working. Oh no, it is Python. Okay. It's some kind of UI kit Python. Very cool. But yeah, just like that, you can run any of these models in the web. I say any of these models, but I don't know if that's actually the case. It might just be the large language models and not the other modal models. So we can have a test. Let's go back to the home page. Well, not the home page, the model page. And let's try something that isn't a large language model. Stable Diffusion. Hosted by Runway ML. Okay, that's pretty cool. Text to image. Apparently we can. Let's say a man upside down on a laptop. Let's see if this works. I assume this one will be much slower because it's making a whole image and not just the next token of text. Oh, and there you go. You can actually do the image models as well on Huggingface. So this is Stable Diffusion V1. Let's see if they have Stable Diffusion XL. I think it's SDXL. Here we go. SDXL by Diffusers. Oh, but they've turned off the, because it's quite a big model. So, oh wait, what was that? Here, Stability AI SDXL. Oh, this one has it. Let's see how better SDXL is at making a man upside down on a laptop compared to Stable Diffusion V1 revision 5. A frog relaxing in a cup of coffee, suggests Nick. We can do that next. Let's see how long this takes. Quite a while. Okay. Can we copy this? All right, we'll keep this here. And we'll do a frog relaxing in a cup of coffee. My question is now, like, how far can we push the free limit for Huggingface? It wouldn't make sense if they let us use it unlimitedly for free. That was pretty fast. But you can see, like, it's not really in the cup, so this model kind of struggles with a lot of things. But SDXL should be really good, so but it's taking a long time. There we go. See, this man is actually upside down on a laptop, whereas this one on the right created by normal is the right. Okay, yes, good. Created by normal Stable Diffusion V1 is just hands on a laptop, but this is actually a man upside down on a laptop. Great. Now let's see how SDXL does with a frog relaxing in a cup of coffee. I assume it would actually put the frog in the cup. Let's see, this will probably take a few minutes. Nice, Mar fixed their loader. Nick says Midjourney on top. Yeah, Midjourney was definitely the best. Probably still is the best model for image generation. SDXL is getting really close though, for sure. And the fact that it's like open source is amazing. Yeah, it's interesting how these open source models are slowly catching up to the enterprise models. Yeah, okay, we'll let this frog relax. And yeah, so that was models. I think you guys get the idea. They've hosted a whole bunch of models that you can test out just through the web. We will leave that there. Let's see what they have next. They have data sets. Okay, this is awesome as well. So data sets are really useful for someone that wants to train their own AI models. You need a whole bunch of data in a specific, like, labeled, hopefully. So yeah, they also have a whole bunch, 60,000 data sets uploaded on here. So we can search for, I don't know, like plants. Can we search plants here? Plants. And I don't know, is this plant TL? What's that? Nope, that's not what we want. Plant seedlings data set. Yeah, anyway, like you probably find something that you want. Plant disease data set. So this is really good. This is probably like a whole bunch of plant diseases. Oh no, it's empty. Well, you get the idea. And then spaces. This is the exciting one because spaces is like, I just got linked this space, this tool called DragGAN. This was really hyped. It went kind of viral when it first got introduced. It's kind of like a way to manipulate images through like dragging segments and stuff. And I could show you the demo. The demo was super exciting, guys. Let me show you that before I try it myself. Here, check this out.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I want to talk to you about DragGAN, or DragGAN. Yeah, that's right. The
See,
research
look how they're making the face of the dog move.
DragGAN, or
By like, first they select the nose and then they select the point where they want it to move. And it like makes all the steps in between and generates all these new images to put the dog's nose there in like a realistic scenario.
MIT and Google have recently developed DragGAN, and they've got...
How cool is that? So we've got this man here. Let's see if I can maybe turn his pants into shorts. Is that how it works? Yeah. So we're gonna make some dots here. So I'm pretty sure it goes from red to blue, right? So we're gonna take the bottom of their pants and put them up here to shorts level, and let's see if we can turn this dude's pants into shorts with this drag again. Oh no, it's making his whole leg shorter now. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted. um. Whoa, did it just turn to a female or was it always a female? Am I tripping? Okay. So that didn't work out too well. Let's refresh this. Let's try again. It was a dude. Alright. Okay, let's just move their arm. Let's make it do a T pose. Let's see that. Okay, it's still the same looking guy. Arms are moving up, but not to the side. He's getting fatter. His face changed. His shirt's buttoning up. Okay, a lot of a lot of side effects here that we weren't expecting. Okay, he's really distorting now too. He's drifting off into the abyss. Oh wow, this is not performing too well. Um so the thing is here they've pre-trained this model on a bunch of like maybe the dogs will perform better. Let's try style again, dogs. Okay, dog. We'll just do the easy one of making it look. Wait, what happened? Making it look a different direction. Just like the demo. Surely that'll work, right? Come on, Dougie. Look this way. Oh, oh, oh. Kind of doing it. There's a bunch of different parameters here that maybe would help. Okay, no, there we go. Now it's looking that way. Great. So the dog nose movement works really well. Let's see if we can maybe open its mouth up. Open its mouth up heaps. Let's see. Go. It's not going. Or maybe because I gotta reset the points. Alright. Mouth open. Go. Oh, you can add masks and stuff. It's not really doing the mouth one for some reason. Oh, well, I think you guys get the idea anyway. That was Dragan by in the spaces. Let's see what other things they have in the spaces. Um okay, seamless M4T. No idea what that is. Spaces of the week. So these are all kind of demos. Speech to speech translation. Okay. Well, you can change your language. Let's do what language should we do? Spanish, because I kind of understand that. Can I use the microphone? Let's see. Hello, this is a test. I want to see what happens. Hello, this is a test. Okay, let's see if I can translate my voice to Spanish. This would be awesome for like YouTube videos and stuff. There's a lot of people that want my content in Spanish, and if this works well, that would be great. Seems a little overhyped. Yeah, Dragon. Okay, let's see what that Spanish one.
Hola, esta es una prueba. Quiero ver qué sucede.
Dude, that's so good. I guess it's. I wonder how it works because obviously it doesn't sound like me. But yeah, it's still very impressive. Yo, we got a comment on YouTube, bro. How do you source your AI stuff? You're really on top of it. Yeah, I always shout out to everyone in my Discord, especially Fruins. Fruins, lately they've been suggesting me a whole bunch of stuff. Some of my friends suggest me a whole bunch of stuff. I follow some YouTube channels. I'll plug you guys into those YouTube channels now. This World of AI one is really good. This World of AI. They post a video like every day of something new. I really enjoy their channel. They only have 19k subs, so definitely check them out. There's a bunch of people on TikTok I follow. AI Andy is one. He's pretty good. AI Andy Huffel. I discovered a bunch of stuff through him. AI Century. I sometimes discover some stuff through them. But I haven't really discovered anything recently from them. But they're pretty good. I also on Twitter I make sure I've like tuned my following now. I've unfollowed all the crypto stuff and I'm just following like AI stuff now. So like I find a lot of stuff through Twitter as well. X.com. Yeah. Those are my main methods. There's Reddit as well, but I don't really find stuff on Reddit that often. And right now I'm just going through Huggingface Spaces. This is cool. I haven't really ever tested this out, so I'm really enjoying just trying out all these AI demos on Huggingface. Okay, so this one makes a more comic. What should our story be? Any suggestions, guys? I'll give you guys 2 minutes to come up with suggestions before I do something myself. Oh, they have different layouts. I like layout too. Search up kid insect and you'll understand. Let's say they were a big part of it. Oh, your friend got arrested for doing kid insect? What's kid insect? Group of hackers in Panama. Pwn everything we see. Alright, we got a suggestion from Nick. Marshmallow that wants to jump into someone's coffee to cool down. That's funny, but I don't think jumping in coffee will cool you down. Marshmallow that wants to jump into someone's coffee to cool down. Alright, generating a new story. My bad, warm up. Whatever. It could be cold coffee. Just like my coffee's getting a bit cold. Story is ready, but server is a bit busy. Please hold tight. Ooh, I can see it generating. Whoa, that's super cool. We'll have to zoom in for sure. Oh, and there's a zoom right here. Oh man, this text obviously doesn't work. But we can kind of guess the story. So there's one marshmallow and he's like giving a big speech. He's like, I want to cool down by jumping in coffee. And then the coffee mug is like, you're crazy, Marshmallow. And the human is like, am I hallucinating? These marshmallows are talking. And then Inspector Gadget comes in through the door. And then the coffee mugs are on the street. And then the man is drinking his coffee while holding a kettle. And then he's in the office. No, he's in a cafe drinking coffee. And then the coffee is on fire. um, and then, oh, his coffee slash marshmallow is so cute. Okay, I don't really get this story, but the style looks cool. Yo, ideogram, yes. Nick, I tested ideogram. Oh, I can reply? This is new. Oh, I can't. I tested ideogram, I think, let's see. I think 2 streams ago, right? Let's see. No, it might have been last stream. Yeah, last stream I tested it out. 4 days ago. It's really cool. So it can actually generate text. So if you put something like this on ideogram, the text could actually be like legible, which is great. But you have to actually specify what the text has to say too. So maybe not with a prompt that simple. Okay, Code Llama. We've already tried Code Llama. What's Cosmos 2? Grounding multimodal large language models to the world. Okay, so you can upload an image and ask questions about it. That's cool stuff. Animate diff. Ooh, that's cool. Is that like makes animations based on 2 images? That's what I'd assume. If you're creative in creating stories but not drawing, this would be a cool alternative. Yeah, for sure, Mar. That comic one. Animate diff, your personalized text to image diffusion model without specific tuning. Oh, it generates an image? Alright, let's do the marshmallow jumping in coffee. Is that how you spell marshmallow? Marshmallow. Okay. Boom. Oh, damn. This is gonna take 700 seconds. Okay, we'll leave that for later. Web journey. Audio AGI. Yo, due to the high user demand, you have to put your. Oh no, for 3 more days. Begin with a text prompt. Let Web Journey transform it into captivating audio content. Audio storylines, personalized voices, lifelike speech. Wow. Could we do stuff in David Attenborough? David Attenborough. How do you spell that? Attenborough. He's the documentary, like the classic documentary guy. Narrator. Narrates about a man live streaming to a large audience. Generate script. This is going to take 40 seconds as well. It's pretty cool how it's letting me run all of these in parallel. It's not really like limiting me. I really enjoy that. Oh, oh, oh well. We are 5, yeah. Not the largest audience, but you know, you're a lot to me. What do I mean by it running in parallel? Like I'm running this space, I'm running this space. More on Twitch and YouTube too, yes, for sure. Bros multitasking AIs, yes, let's go. Okay, here we go. Whoa, look at that. What is all this? Now we can generate audio. Character David Attenborough. Thousands tune in. Okay, thousands is a bit of an exaggeration. Captivated, not just by the tale he tells, but the raw, unfiltered reality before their eyes. Did it work? Wait, what? Generate audio. Script. Wait. Clicking the generate button, the generate audio will be displayed below. Clicking the audio will be displayed below. Maybe I gotta click it again. 187 seconds. Alright, let's run another AI while we wait. What else we have? Text to sing. That sounds pretty fun. Warning. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, maybe they're blocking my access now. I don't like warning. Oh, man. No, I was looking forward to David Attenborough. Oh, let's try text to sing. Select the melody. Dark Trap by Jerry. Write your lyrics. Bro is multitasking AI. Damn, how is bro so fly? Bro so fly, he passed the sky. Damn, Daniel. What a guy. Okay, let's see. If you keep going like this, you're gonna need to do captures for every AI. That's fine. I can do captures. I'm not a robot. Alright, we're gonna give Wav Journey a miss. You could be the next Eminem. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how this goes. This one's only 38 seconds, which is good. It's interesting how it can predict how long it will take. What the hell that works? Okay, obviously not very accurately because it's going over 38 seconds. Quite a lot over. Ooh. Ooh, it worked. It's good to know it could still work. Let's hear it. Ready, guys?
Bro is multi-gun. Damn, how is bro so fly? Bro so fly, he passed the sky. Dame Daniel, what a guy. Ski high.
Okay, this is more of a singy one than a rappy one. Yo, Michael, where am I working from today? I'm back home in Australia. Probably be here for a while. It's springtime now here, and it's like really nice. So I don't really feel like leaving anytime soon. Let's try Celia. I'll try another one. Ooh, image to video. I don't really have. Just run one of their samples. Mona Lisa. Oh my god, that looks. That looks creepy. But pretty nice animation, like pretty smooth. If you just ignore the face. Very cool. What about Snow White? Oh my god, why does it mess up the face so bad? Nick says, what do you hate the most about being a software engineer? It's for sure when you get stuck on a problem. Like, it doesn't happen too often the like more experienced you get, but definitely at the start it was a struggle. Like something you're trying to implement something and you just like run into a bug that you have no idea how to fix, and like you don't even know how to Google it. Like, oh, I'm so happy I haven't run into those situations for a little while. Actually, I did the other day, and it's just like, oh, the debugging can be so annoying. That's definitely my biggest issue. Have you ever looked into using Linux or have used Linux? Yeah, I used Linux in uni. Um, it's good. I really like the Unix terminal way better than the Windows terminal for sure. I mean, I have a WSL on this, the subsystem for Linux, but like you can do anything on Windows or Mac as well. I really like Mac for programming, but yeah, I don't really have a strong reason to swap. So yeah, that's why I don't. Errors while being on a deadline, yeah, for sure. Deadlines are also another annoying thing, but you get that with any type of work. It's not really a software engineering specific issue. Okay, what else do we have? Dude, there's so many spaces. 4,846 spaces. So this is kind of like Google Colab. Oh, they have Music Gen as well. Music Gen's awesome. We tested that out on Replicate. Damn, I should really be plugging this instead of Replicate, because these guys actually let me They haven't asked me to log in at all. Replicate asked me to log in after like, I don't know, I'm gonna say like 10 generations. So yeah, fuck, Huggingface is really cool for just trying out AI. And then you could also probably like, yeah, see, you can clone these repositories. You might be able to like run them, embed them, like somehow get them offline. They got all the files, so do they have all the files? No, they don't have the model here. But yeah, I don't know. Bark is universal text to audio. Generate highly realistic multilingual speech, music, background. This demo should be used for research. Commercial use is strongly prohibited. Well, they have so many speakers in different languages. Well, let's do the announcer. I want to copy this. Roll up, roll up. Witness, tech friend, live stream, new AI models right in front of your very eyes. Let's see what happens. Ronald Duck says, what are the names of the site you are using? Huggingface.co. Yes, thanks, Nick. That is correct. Huggingface.co has so many models. And we're just going through them. I definitely won't get through all 4,000, but I'm just going to go until we get bored. And it's cool how it's letting me use like many at the same time. Oh, we got Bark. Let's see what the announcer says.
Roll up. Roll up. Witness tech friend live stream new AI models right in front of your very eyes.
Okay, that was a lot worse than I expected. Yeah. Can you try image to story? Sure. Where is that? Image to story. Is that a thing? Oh, here we go. Image to story. What image? Oh, we can use this test images. Boom. The courtroom conspirators. It was a typical day in the bustling city. Little did anyone know that 3 strangers sitting at a bar would change the course of history. Can't be bothered reading this whole thing, but yeah, seems pretty good. What's anim image? Oh, yo, we got this animate diff working. The marshmallow jumping into the coffee cup. 2 seconds worth of footage. Okay. It's definitely a marshmallow in a coffee cup, but it's weirdly weird. Interesting. What's this? Anime Excel. I assume it's anime. Marshmallow in coffee. Marshmallow. Oh, 400 seconds. No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay, I think that's enough for spaces. But yeah, they have so many. Probably anything you could imagine is there. Let's look at their pricing. So with a free account, you can host unlimited models, datasets, and spaces, access all of the latest tools, and have community support. If you pay, you get a badge, access to early features, and a high tier for the free inference API. So probably you can inference stuff faster, generate stuff faster, and train stuff faster. Okay. pretty amazing free tier that you can use anything unlimitedly. They have what are these solutions for just hosting stuff? They have tasks? What's this? Huggingface is the home for all machine learning. Find what you need. Well, they have like computer vision that you can host or just use the image classification model. Kind of similar to Spaces, but I guess this is stuff that they have built in-house. Very cool. Very cool stuff. Daily papers. So you could see every day all the latest AI papers. High definition text to video generation. Wow, this actually looks pretty good. I haven't linked any models, but you can view the PDF. And yeah, you get to see all the latest research. Yeah, this is taking ages to load. We'll leave it. Metrics. What accuracy? Evaluate metrics. Guess I have some tools for evaluating models, it seems. Yeah. HF store. Oh, you can buy merch. Hey, yo. Huggingface merch. That's a cute cap. It's very cool. They have a Discord, classrooms, forum, GitHub, blog. They have a lot to offer. Shouts out Huggingface. Check them out, guys. Huggingface.co. Probably the largest source of hosted models and yeah, Spaces. Very cool stuff. All right, that concludes my Huggingface intro. Yo, all right, see you, Mar. I'll probably still be around in 20 minutes. Okay, so I saw this. E2B Dev Playground can do prompt to playwright. Now, I'm not sure if this is a ChatGPT extension or something we can access without ChatGPT. Here, AI Playground. So E2B is a cloud operating system for AI agents. You can give your AI agent a sandbox cloud environment where you can do any of the following. Run any code and terminal command in a sandbox. That's awesome. Install dependencies, use file system, upload, download files, access the internet. Start a web server that's accessible from the internet. That's very cool. Clone Git repositories. Start any process, such as a long database. Okay, so you need to use it in code. Damn, that's a bit annoying. I was hoping they had a hosted playground of some sort. I saw someone use this in ChatGPT as a plugin, and it was super cool because they wrote like a web scraper inside ChatGPT. I can find it probably. I think it was this Hacker News. Is it? No. It was on Twitter. Wonder if it'll come up. Probably this LinkedIn post. Seems like Twitter's SEO is like doesn't work. Maybe this. I gotta follow this guy. I think this guy might be the CEO of E2B. Yeah, he is. Awesome. Let's see if he'll connect with me. Ding. Oh, I'm gonna have to try find it on Twitter because it was so cool. I knew I like. Should I just pay for GPT Plus? I might. I might just pay for it. What was that dude's name? Bazek. Moljinski. Lechinsky. Yeah, here, check this out, guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Yeah, so they say write code for crawling GitHub trending topics to code.index.js. And then it uses this E2B plugin to make the code for this web scraper. Right? And then it also gives the command it needs to install the library. And then they ask it to install dependencies in that folder. And it can actually run all of these commands in that sandbox that E2B provides through the plugin. I'm really tempted to just pay for GPT Plus again so I can try this. Because this is so cool. It just saves you the effort of having to set stuff up in your local environment, right? And boom, it says the script has successfully been executed. And this is the trending topics on GitHub. How cool is that? Let's see if I can even get the API key. Is that it? No. Wait, do we even need the API key? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Sign up to get your API key. Whoa, it just auto signed me up. Okay, we did get the API key. All right, I'm gonna pay for ChatGPT Plus. Renew Plus. Upgrade to Plus. Don't dox my credit card info, please. I got a 2FA. One sec, guys. I'm just buying GPT Plus. Any second now. It should go through. Yes, there we go. Yay! GPT Plus. All right. Whoa, what is this? Advanced data analysis. I think that's just the code interpreter. They've just given it a new name. Okay, let's get E to B, please. E to B. What? They don't have E2B? Man, what do you mean? What do you mean? I just downloaded this for no reason. You're kidding me, right? What? No. What the hell? How did what? E2B dev plugin. No. Oh, maybe. Maybe I just have to use the Python library. Yo, but here it says E to B in the plugin window. You can upload Excel files to the analysis and it gives graphs. Yeah, I did do that. Refunds, says Donald Duck. Yeah, can they do refunds? No, hold on. We'll figure this out. Surely, right? E to B. E to B ChatGPT plugin. Okay, maybe we need to install it or something. Watch a demo. We give ChatGPT access to this. Installation. Wait for OpenAI to improve a plugin. Oh. Or 2. Have developer access to ChatGPT plugins. Ooh. I don't know if I do. I don't know if I do. How do I check? What happened here? ChatGPT plugin developer access. Man, all right. Let's see if I can get a refund. um. Damn. All right, don't worry about it. We'll just have GPT-4. It's fine. That's a real shame, though. Well, I mean, while we're here, we could see what other plugins have been trending or whatever, I guess. Interact with PDFs. Ask about GitHub. Ask about PDF. Browse dozens of web pages. What's this? Oh, terms of service. I wish they had like an example. Not much else new. Damn. Oh well, okay. Okay, I guess we'll just put this in the bottom. Let's put this in the backlog. What's next? What is this? What is this Twitter post that I've saved? Oh, this is literally just what I tried to do. Okay. All right, next we have codebuddy.ca. Oh yeah, Fruins linked me this on the Discord. Their website looks really weirdly pixelated, but it's another coding assistant, I think. Oh, the VS Code extension is releasing later, but they have their own app, I guess. Effortless sweeping changes from UI to database with one prompt. Multi-file editing and generation. Conversational AI-powered code editing and review. Oh, this is the cool thing. They have a mobile experience. So that's something that we've never actually tested before. It's like an actual mobile code. What would you call it? Code assistant. Their UI just looks so bad. But let's test out the mobile one. I'd be really interested to see how that works or if it even works. Let me plug in my mobile here. Yo, thanks for the like. There's some Russian characters, sorry I can't pronounce those very well. But yeah, where's Visor? View device. Okay, I got Codebuddy up on my phone. Let's see, start coding now. Sign up with GitHub. Yep. Okay. Hold on. On 2FA. Oh, it's these ones. Sick. I think I just gave it access to everything, so I gotta remember to remove Codebuddy access. Because yeah, see, it's got access to all my repositories. I didn't really want it to do that, but whatever. Which one of these snake ones actually worked? Hold on. AJ47. Oh, should we just do Berry Game? That's my MMO. Yeah, let's do Berry Game. Berry Game. Boom. Codebuddy doesn't know anything unless you include it in your prompt. You can do that by selecting files or checking the file system checkbox. When creating new files, remember to select the file system checkbox. Put this here so you guys can see it. I don't know why the resolution is so bad here. Image quality. 4 MB. Oh, you gotta upgrade. Oh, that's fine. We'll leave it as it is. Use a when creating new files. Checkbox to include the file system directory with your prompt, but only the folders that have been expanded in the left panel will be included. Use context memory dial in the bottom left corner to see how much context memory you're using. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay. Let me open this up on my computer just so we can then later see the changes it made. Because I assume it's gonna then commit them. Okay. Okay. What can we change? Let's go file system. Oh, it doesn't. How do we see the files? Oh, sorry. What can we change here? How about we make a new tree? That'll be something easy. Okay. Oh, here we go. We can say this is the files that we want in the front end. In components? Where is the game component? Hold on. Find a game. Game component. I'll give it something really easy to do. Here, game component, components 3D. Okay. So, Alpha Island. Yeah, berry tree. Berry tree. Position. Okay. So 3D game component. Also give it berry tree. All right, I'm gonna say what options we have. Clone. Wait, go. Make a new instance of berry tree component. Wait, hold on. So you gotta be really like, this is cool. If this works, imagine being able to develop from anywhere just on your phone. Like you're out and you're like, oh, this would make a good change, and you just like on your phone, like coding away. This is literally the future, I think. We would like make berry tree component take in position as a prop and make a new instance of the component in game component of the, what's it say, of the berry tree component in game component in a different position. Let's see if we can figure that out. I submitted it. Wait, what? Did I not submit it? The fuck just happened? Uh-oh. Oh, come on. I don't know. For some reason, it just refreshed. Alright, let's try again. Clear chat history, new component, file system. Select those again. Game component, berry tree component. Go back to conversation. Create. Wait. Edit berry tree component to take position as a prop. Instantiate a new berry tree in game component at a different position. I'm gonna copy this just in case it deletes it again. Oh, I just realized I'm not even showing you guys this. My bad. My bad. Okay, so this is the interface. I don't know if I showed you guys this at all. They have a conversation. They have an editor here where you can see all the files in your repository, and you're meant to select the ones that it's supposed to change. So I've selected berry tree and game component, and then back in the chat, my prompt is edit berry tree component to take position as a prop, instantiate a new berry tree in the game component at a different position. And then I'm gonna press this play button, which I hope is a submit. And then you can see, here we go. It's thinking. Okay, great. They need to work on the UI, yeah, definitely. The UI looks shit, but you know, I'm a big proponent of if it works, that's better than it looking pretty and not working. Okay, so this is it, changing the berry tree component. I just love how this is on the mobile too. Like, imagine just developing from your phone while you're in a club. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Oh my god, it actually even did this or sign, meaning that like if the prop's position is not supplied, it'll just default to that position. And then in game component, let's see if it creates a new berry tree as well. Berry tree position 10. Hell yeah. I mean, it only created one. This will add a new berry tree. But where's the old berry tree? Oh, it's in Alpha Island. Oh, whoops. That's because of my prompt. The execution is perfect, but my prompt made it go in the wrong position. Okay, let's see what it says. How can I hide this? Okay, there we go. Code change success. The following files were successfully updated to berry tree and game component. Please review the changes with the diff tab. If you want to make further modifications, you must check them in the file first. Once you've reviewed and confirmed the changes are good, you can commit the files using the disk button. This will auto-generate a commit message and push changes to the branch. Important. When Codebuddy makes a change to a file, it automatically ends the conversation by default. If you want to continue the previous conversation, use the reply button. Dude, I really like this. I really like being able to just code. And you know what? I have CI/CD on this, meaning that when I push this, it should automatically push to alpha.berrygame from the main branch through Cloudflare. So we'll watch that live once I look at the diff. Let me just open up Cloudflare in a separate window. Is it Cloudflare? Yeah, Cloudflare. I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so let's look at the diff. This is it. Awesome, dude. This actually, the text looks good. The other bits of the UI doesn't look too good, but look, position, perfect. That's how we wanted. It's changed the indentation of this export. I don't really care for that. And then it's added the new berry tree at position 10. That's very cool. Yo, Nick, is this you? It's always cool seeing someone in this game. Okay, so is there a way to, where's the save button? Oh, there. Oh, we can change the branch too. Yes, we can create a new branch. Oh, we're on damage num. Well, let's go on main. Are my changes still there? Let's see, diff. Yep. Excellent. So we can really easily create branches and switch branches. That is super cool. Oh, Nick just killed me. Dude, what the hell? Shame I can't die. Infinite health. Okay, and I have Cloudflare up here. So I think we can see the deployment somewhere. Where's deployment? It's probably in pages. Pages? No? What the hell? Berrygame.com. I don't really use Cloudflare much, so let me just figure out. Speed caching. No, okay, I'm gonna go back. Websites, domain, workers, pages, overview, pages, please. Berry game, and then deployments. Yeah, I think this is right. Okay, so I'm gonna push this by pressing the save button. Commit message. New berry tree. Whoa. Oh shit. Oh, awesome. It automatically populated the message from the chat history. Commit and push. Commit success. Changes saved to branch. Let's see if I refresh this Cloudflare. We can see it's deployed. I mean, it's deploying. Deployment currently in progress. We can view details. Now, once this finishes, I expect to see another tree on this island. I'll probably have to refresh the game, but I'm super excited for that. That is so cool, guys. Now I can do all my software development without writing any code from my mobile, no matter where I am. Yo, love heart emoji. That's so cool. I've never seen a love heart emoji on Berry Game before. How'd you do that? How do I get the love heart emoji on this? I don't know how to bring up the emoji toolbar on Windows. I can Google it. There we go. Dude, emojis are sick. One of the best things to happen to the web. It's building. Still building. I should do some push-ups while we wait. I'm gonna do some stretches. Yes! Alright, it's deployed. Let's see. You ready? Moment of truth. I'm gonna refresh, and we're gonna see another tree. Boom. Hey, worked! There's 2 trees! This is a monumental time in Berry Game. We have 2 trees. I did drink water, thanks to Ronald Duck. Appreciate you. Whoa, that's a whole lot of emojis. Oh my god, it's made the game lag. I need to put a limit on the text. Wow, that's so cool. Codebuddy.ca, guys. You can edit code from your mobile. Granted, we could have done this with Sweep. We could have done this with Sweep as well. But still, it's cool to see that there's other people competing in the space. Join their Discord. They only have 30 people. That's amazing. I really enjoyed that. Did they say something about the pricing? The pricing, we are currently offering this for free during a pre-release promotional period. Please provide feedback. Very awesome. Dude, I really like that. They have a little blog. They don't have pricing features blog. Exploring. So cool, guys. So cool. All in the web. Yeah. Okay. That was Codebuddy.ca. What's next? ChatDev. Oh, this one's pretty cool too. ChatDev. So, this one is very similar to MetaGPT, but it's so much cuter. So, it's a communicative agents for software development. It's essentially another virtual software company that operates through various intelligent agents, including a CEO, CTO, programmer, tester, and more. They make all these different agents that have their own roles, and you give it a prompt with build software XYZ, and they try to run that software. So yeah, let's give it a go. We have to clone it, as obviously all these complicated ones are a bit hard to set up, but luckily I'm an experienced software engineer, so it shouldn't be too hard for me to do. We will first open a terminal window, and we will go git clone. Wait, not here. We will get out of this progress. Git clone ChatDev. Once we've cloned that, we will open that in VS Code just to make sure I don't mess up. Anything else? ChatDev. Okay, open this in terminal as well. And then follow their instructions. Let's create a Conda environment. Activate the Conda environment after it gets created. Close visor. So I'll put this here. Make this bigger. Activate it. cd into it. Install the dependencies. We have to make an API key. Let me do that. This is annoying. Should I just type this? Yeah, I'm gonna just type this. Env. Wait, what? No file. Requirements. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, it's over here. Um. Just installing all the Python dependencies. And then we're gonna add our API key. And then that's it. We can build our software. Okay. Like this Python free task. What's the description? We're gonna do the same prompt that I gave MetaGPT, and that's to build. I said CLI snake game before, but let's just say snake game. This time. Yeah. And the name, we'll call it ChatDev snake. Boom. Python was not found. How about we just call it Python? Okay, ChatDev has made products in the following format. Oh my god, that's a lot of text. So they've got a chief product officer, a chief executive officer. Oh, I was hoping I'd get nice images like this. I guess not. It's a lot to read. Task: build the snake game modality application. We have decided to complete the task through an executable software implemented in a programming language. As the chief technology officer, to satisfy a new user's demand, we should propose a concrete programming language. Yes. What did they pick? I feel like this is gonna... Oh, it's using 3.5 turbo. So it's quite fast, but maybe not as smart. Okay, so they've picked Python. And they're making the docs. Now they've started coding. So far it's cost me half a cent. More coding. Code reviewer's turn. They're gonna check for that all the class references are imported, all method. Oh, this is really good. A code reviewer actually checks to make sure that everything's been implemented. There's comments, there's no potential bugs, etc. That's very good. Did they pick up on anything? This code is missing the necessary import statement for Pygame. Excellent. That's really cool. So the code reviewer actually reviews. And they fix the modifications. I guess it goes through some more reviewing. It's now cost me almost 2 cents. Yo, no worries, Ronald Duck. Thank you for commenting. Means a lot to me. I probably wouldn't do it if I didn't have any viewers or commenters. The code is misses. It's still saying the same thing. The code reviewer keeps saying it's missing a Pygame import. Let it run for a bit. I'm happy to let this run for a while. Like, it can use up to like $10 if it needs to, which would take it a long time. It's rewriting the code. Now it's almost cost 3 cents. Code reviewer is still reviewing it. I have an... Yeah, dude, it's getting stuck on the same issue. I have a feeling that same exact issue the reviewer keeps picking up. But they do import Pygame. I don't know why they think that they don't. Yo, and appreciate the comment. Thank you. Appreciate all the support, guys. It's stuck in this loop. This is the problem we've had with autonomous agents from the very start, is getting stuck in loops. That's why they really need to give the option for a human to, you know, occasionally be like, look, stop reviewing and do XYZ type thing, you know what I mean? Okay, now it's a new test report. Model OS has no attribute set SID. So is this tester different to the previous tester? Software test engineer. Yeah, that's different. Before it was... Who was the one complaining about Pygame? That was code reviewer. Okay, so there's a code reviewer and there's a software test engineer that actually runs the code and like reports on the bugs, whereas the code reviewer just looks at the code. Yo, Amjad, thank you for the roses. Appreciate you. Does that mean we've made progress on our 69? Yeah, 4 out of 69. Let's go. If we can get 420, 69, that'd be so good. OS module provides an operating system dependent functionality to resolve this. I wonder if there's a way we can use GPT-4. It'll probably hit the rate limit though, so we probably don't want to do that. But look, you can see in their demo they have all of these things that they've made. Like they've made a Flappy Bird game. Maybe we should give it a different prompt. Should we try again? A simple website. Hmm. No way, they made MS Paint? What? That's so cool. Video player, book breeze. Damn, the potential in these, they're just getting better, but like the potential for these apps is amazing. These AIs. Yo, everyday engineer. Hi, thanks for the comment. How are you doing? Hope you're well. What brings you here? What do you like to see? We're checking out this ChatDev autonomous AI at the moment, which makes these different agents like a software engineer agent, a CTO agent, a CEO agent, a software tester agent, a code review agent, and they all work together to build whatever the prompt is. So I've asked it to make a snake game. That's a very typical prompt I give it, and it's been working for quite some time now to try build it, but it seems to keep getting stuck. It got stuck at this previous thing before about importing Pygame, but now it's stuck on this import OS. I have a suspicion that it has troubles running the code from inside the software. And it's almost cost me like 10 cents now. I think I might stop it. Does it show the output? Oh, here we go. Okay. It does show the output. I might stop it here. Let's see what it says now. Oh no. If it complains about the OS thing again, I'll stop it. But if it gives me something different, I'll let it keep going. Yo, they have all the other outputs here. That's pretty cool. We'll check them out later. Oh, it's not complaining about the OS thing anymore. Okay, it's good. It's gone out of the loop. How am I? I'm doing very well, everyday engineer. Thank you. It's good. I'm going to be trying to stream every week at this time, at the very least. So I've set up my Twitch schedule, yeah, for every week at this time. But I don't know if that's the best time. It's hard for me to tell, what time my audience is up. So I am going to be doing, I'm going to be doing like a giveaway. Yes, I'm Australian. I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my Discord. Oh, it finished. And I'll do a little survey for entry to the giveaway. And one of the questions should be like, what time zone are you based in? It's 4 a.m. for Nick. Damn, Nick, you're up early like every stream. Okay, shit. See, so if it's 4 a.m., maybe it's better for people like you. Well, unless 2:30 a.m. or p.m. for you, Ronald. Maybe it's better I do my streams later or earlier. I'm not sure. Well, definitely experiment and see what the best time is. Yeah. Damn, 2:30 a.m. for Ronald as well. Okay, so maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe my audience is just always awake. All right, let's see if we can run this snake game. So we'll go cd warehouse ChatDev snake game pip. What was the requirements? Pip install our requirements. Oops. Invalid requirement pip install. What the hell? That's not right. Alright, we'll just try run. We'll just try run main.py. It'll probably complain that we don't have Pygame, I assume. Oh! What? Yo! Oh my god, look, it even has a little icon for the snake game. Or is that just the Pygame icon? It might just be the Pygame icon. What does the pie game icon look like? Oh, it is a snake. Okay. But that actually works really well. It's a shame there's like no score or no food, but like the frame rate, I'm really impressed by that. Like it took a long time, but it's even got the thing where if it goes off the screen on one side, it comes back on the other side. That's super cool. Everyday Engineer says, have you ever done anything like red teaming or bug bounty? No, I actually haven't done any of that. I just typically build fun stuff, but bug bounties always seem cool. Like you always hear on like not the news, but you always hear online that like someone finds like this bug on like Google or something and they pay them like $70,000 or something ridiculous. I think that's super cool. Damn, okay, that was cool. This is Flappy Birds. I want to check out the Flappy Bird one that it's made. Yo, this is the Flappy Bird game that apparently ChatDev has made. Let's see what the prompt was for that. Does it say the prompt? Here, prompt. Design a basic Flappy Bird game. Wow. And this is the log. So in like 2,800 lines, they've created Flappy Bird. Let's see how many lines my game took to make. ChatDev snake log. I feel like mine took longer. Yeah, mine took almost double the amount to make my one. Did they have cost in the Flappy Bird? Oh, the Flappy Bird doesn't say cost, so maybe it was like an older version, or they've deleted that. Oh, there was also like instructions, I guess. Oh, the README. Where's the README? Manual.md. Welcome to the snake game. This user manual will explain how to play the game, install a snake game, install the following dependencies. Once you've installed snake game, you can start playing by the following steps. Use the arrow keys to move around. Cool. Very cool stuff. Yeah, so that was ChatDev. Yeah, so unlike MetaGPT, it actually made something working. I think the really cool thing it does is have the code review agent and the testing agent. I think those are really powerful ways to ensure that the code actually works. Because a lot of these other code generation, software generation agents, they'll make some code that seems kind of legit, but it'd be missing some stuff or it'd have bugs. So yeah, really impressed by that ChatDev. All right, I'm gonna close this whole thing. Let's see what we had next. DBGPT. I'm not sure if I'll actually be able to test this one. I think this one's for databases. Yeah, revolutionize database interactions with private LLM technology. Interact with your data and environment. Let's see what other features it has. Oh, you can actually chat with Excel, and it can use these open source models. So yeah, chat with your database, do some data processing without giving your data to OpenAI. I don't really have a use case for this at the moment, so I might skip it, but that's pretty cool. What's next? Google Word Lab. I saw this one. Can't remember where I saw it, but I saw Lupe. I think it was on YouTube. Lupe Fiasco using this. I'm not sure if it's public, but we'll have a little test. Google Word Lab. Is it this? Google Workspace. Experimental Labs. Is it this? No, yes, you gotta join a wait lab. I think I did join the IDX waitlist. I definitely did. Magic Compose. Yeah, this Lupe Fiasco one. Oh, use the tool. Okay. Excellent. So this helps you write like lyrics and stuff. Yeah, they have a bunch of different tools. So what's this first one? RAP acronym. Create an acronym using the letters of a word. Oh, cool. So if I had TECH, it'll come up with an acronym. Talented engineers combined with hard work. That's awesome. And you can keep going through them. Tools enabling convenience and happiness. Tools empowering curiosity to harness. Tremendously exciting concepts helping. I think it's bigger for you guys. What else? It's got a bunch. Let's start from the start. Simile. Create a simile about a thing or a concept. What's a concept? Autonomous AI agents working for AI working for employees. Oh, that just made the limit. Nick says you should try pi.ai. They have an app and website. You can phone their AI on their app. Oh, have a look. I'll put that in the to-do pi.ai. AI is like a personal assistant that's always on call, ready to help with whatever. Simile. Okay. So I think a simile is like when you say something is like something else. AI is like a digital assistant. AI is like a Swiss Army knife. Okay. What's something random? Marshmallow. What's a marshmallow like? I like these animations. This is cool. A marshmallow is like a cloud, soft and fluffy and ephemeral, but with a hidden core of deliciousness. Marshmallows are like pillows for your mouth. See, these is cool. So this is the kind of stuff that you could use in like helping you write a song, and I think that's what Lupe Fiasco was doing. And yeah, you could explode. Like we could explode the word marshmallow, and it'll give us like it'll take the stem of the word and like marry-mallow, a marriage between two marshmallows, marshy-mallow, a wet shopping mall, marshmallow, a patch of low. Like you can get those double entendres and stuff. It's super cool stuff. Yeah, alliteration. Ooh. Let's do technology words beginning with T. I think if you have the app and you tell it you're going to a party, it will send you a message notification asking how the party was. Oh, that's pretty cool. Words beginning with T around technology: tablet computer, tank, tape recorder, taser, telecommunications, telegraph, telephone. A bunch. Fuse, scene, unfold, scene. Generate a sensory details about a scene. Slot a word into other words or phrases. Marshmallow. Oh, so if we had a smaller word like test, what would happen there? Field test the waters, test your metal, blood test. Okay. That was TestFX, it's actually called. testfx.withgoogle.com. Why does Google release the coolest AIs and not tell anyone? They did. They made some videos about it, but yeah, I guess it's because they're doing so much. It's really hard for the word to come out. But I'm glad I found this one. Yeah, so I saw these. Can you see it here? Yeah. These videos of Lupe Fiasco.
slot a
using these
word
tools.
into other words and phrases. So just show you how it works. Queen, we got queen bee.
I saw it on YouTube, I guess. They didn't link it here. Oh, here it is. The YouTube video.
Let's just start with some words.
We got
But yeah, it only has 30,000 views.
mechanic, fight, build, gadzooks, shogun.
Yeah, it was a really cool video. Like, Lupe goes through his writing process and they help design these tools that, you know, give him those like cool lyrics like express, espresso, expressing yourself, like, you know, like blowing up words and like doing all that wordplay stuff that rappers do. All right, let's see what pi.ai is. Hey there, great to meet you. I'm Pi, your personal AI. Ask me for advice. What's on your mind? I'm live streaming about technology and AI. What's some cool things I can show off? That's exciting. This is a very like calming thing. Is this meant to be like a kind of mental health bot? You said it can text you? How does that work? Well, you can do career plan for the future, get motivated, tackle homework, Discord, share. Cool. Bottom right. Yo, what is this? Oh, you get the voice.
That's exciting. I think there are lots. That's exciting. I think there are lots of cool AI topics to cover depending on the type of technology your audience would be interested in. Some cool things to show off might be AI-powered image generation, like DALL-E.
Pretty cool. All right, I was going to build a silence trimming video editor, but I think I might do that later. Was it Nick that asked me to try cursor again? I can do that. We can do that. We can try the code generation with cursor. Do I have it installed? I keep uninstalling it, but we can just install it again. Where is it? Cursor. Ooh. All right. New AI project. Do the tried and tested build a snake game. Let's see what it does. Oh, we should update first, just so we give it the best opportunity. Did it not update? I run it again. It kept crashing for you, Nick? Oh, damn. Definitely does seem a bit unstable. I think it just crashed then. Cursor. Unable to start. Yeah, sick. um. There we go. Okay. New AI project. Build a snake game. We'll just put it here. Cursor test. Cursor 0 test, that's fine. Do you want to save changes? No. Alright, generating project. Oh, it's doing it in a HTML, JavaScript snake game. That's a first. Normally all these agents prefer to do it in Python, so that's pretty cool. It seems like... Okay, actually we never got past step 0 last time. Let's see if it gets past step 0. Oh shit, there we go. It's actually writing the code. That's pretty cool. Make this bigger so you guys can see. It's making the index HTML. It's really cool how we get to just see it code line by line right in front of your eyes. It's just sick. It just feels so much more real, like someone's actually programming this, you know what I mean? So cool. Look, Mom, no hands. I like the font that they use in this IDE too. It's nice. It's different. I'd probably still prefer the mono font the VS Code has, but this is cool. This is actually really cool. I'd actually prefer these things to be made in JavaScript as well, so that's super nice. Man, the future of coding is gonna look so different than it did like 2 years ago. It's crazy. And that's it. I think that's it, dude. I don't know what happens now. Oh, here we go. All done. All right. All right. I think we gotta save all of these files. Save, 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 save. Let's open this in the File Explorer and run it with Chrome. Oh, that's cool. It almost works. There's a game board. Any. Okay, we have some issues here. I don't know how we'd get AI to fix it. What if I copy like this? What was the command M? No. It was command L. Here we go. Fix these errors. I think one of my issues with this was it doesn't actually edit the code here, hey. Okay, saying change this to script type module. So we'll do that. Didn't paste. There we go. And then it also says instead of, well, let's see if that changes anything. Oh, shit. That made it worse. Instead of export const, do exports dot. Well, I don't know if that'll work either. Where was that? Exports. Can it do like edit? No. Um, Well, it generated it, so that was pretty cool. I won't go through debugging it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think this next thing that I wanted to do is gonna take like quite a while, so I might leave that. I might schedule Thursdays for streaming building, like not testing AI tools, but actually me just coding stuff, because I'll always be coding stuff, and I think a lot of people take value in that. So, yeah, that's definitely something that I will do. So I might stream on Thursday, maybe a bit later. So yeah, like let's see, 48 plus, and say maybe about like 55, 60 hours from now, I might do a stream then. Yeah, I'm just gonna revoke that API key I made for ChatDev because people using my keys, and yeah. Cool, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate everyone. Thank you so much, Nick, for all the comments. MVP of comments for sure. Always on. Yeah, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Yo, thanks so much, and thanks. Shout out to everyone on YouTube as well. Thanks so much, guys.